What's going on, guys? Redneck Man 454 here. Today I'm putting new tires on my Dodge. I've had this truck for a little over 10 years. As you guys know from the hail video, it got hailed on. So anyways, get new tires. So I was running these Toyo MTs, open countries, and they've still got good tread left. These things suck in the snow. Which I don't know that you'll find a better mud tire that does better in the snow, but they're getting down there. And I actually got a bolt in one of the front tires the other day, so I ended up having to put plugs in it. It wouldn't hold and all that stuff. Here's the bolt that was actually in that tire. So it ruined the tire. I had to put, I'll show you in here. I had an old, I believe it was a Nitto Trail Grappler MT that I had ran on here previously, and it's dry cracked. These things suck. So I ended up buying 4 brand new Achilles Desert Hawk MTs. Got these on Amazon, $191 a piece. It was less than 800 bucks shipped to my door for 4 tires. They're load range E. They are 35 1250 20s. I'll put a link in the description if you guys are interested in those. But these were actually cheaper than the Federals because they were on sale when I got them. Normally they're $220. By the time you guys watch this video, hopefully they're still on sale. But I'm down here at my brother's shop again. Gonna be using that tire machine to mount them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get mounting these. I don't know that I'll show a whole lot of that process. There's other videos out there for mounting tires, but I'll show you the truck when it's done, and we'll drive down the road and see how quiet they are. Okay, and just got the tires mounted up. Actually, I drove back to my place. They look really good, actually. I'm happy with the way they turned out. We'll see how they wear, and they sound pretty good on the road. So far, really quiet. I do need to clean these wheels and stuff, but again, there's the old ones. I mean, they didn't have very much you could see on my finger. And these ones here, my finger's completely buried, or the nail is anyways. So, like I said, for the price, so far, I'm not complaining. I'll take you guys on the road here in just a minute. I'm sorry about that wintering. I've got about 190,000 miles on this truck now. So we're just hopping up on the highway. Turn off that AC. Honestly, not too loud at all. They do have a little road noise, but compared to my Toyos, and I've had Dick CPEX, and I've had Nittos, they're no worse than any of those. In fact, I would say, from what I remember new, these are actually probably a little bit quieter. I know some people have, when you get new tires, you'll get that little bit of like body roll, it almost feels like, when I don't know if it's the nipples on the tires or the tires are just trying to originally wear in, but these do that. And I've noticed that's something that they, you know, all the other tires I've had, they'll do, you know, for the first 500 miles or so. So I'd expect the same out of these. But who knows? Maybe they'll be different. Let's, yeah, they rub. just like everything else. But just holding there at 65. No AC, no radio. Not bad. I'm happy with them, especially for less than 800 bucks for our new set of tires for this sucker. So, anyways, guys, thanks again for watching. Again, I'll put a link to these in the description if you're interested. I paid $191. Hopefully, they're still on sale if you guys are interested in buying them. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and comment. Do what you guys do. Thanks for watching.